The expansion chamber is mounted to the gearbox. It is a diaphragm that allows for consistent pressure in the gearbox as the lubrication oil is heated and expands. After years of use, the rubber expansion chamber can harden and crack, causing oil to leak from the gearbox. Replacing the expansion chamber is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless grills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the blade from the saw. The bolt is a reverse thread. With the blade removed, I have access to the cover over the expansion chamber. It's secured with 4 screws, and I'll go ahead and remove them. With the cover removed, now I can remove the expansion chamber. And I'll install the new one. I'll place the cover back over the expansion chamber and secure it with the screws. And I'll reinstall the plain washer. I align it with the shaft and slide it into place. Now I can replace the blade. And remember, the threads on the bolt are reverse thread. And that's all it takes to replace the expansion chamber in your circular saw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up.
And leave a comment.